In the eyes of my grandmother, I see the grass that grows in the rain. In the eyes of my mother, I smell the tears born from pain. In the eyes of my sister, I hear the people crossing valleys and slopes. In the eyes of my niece, I feel the wings that will carry us through with hope.
Malolelei, ko hokuhinga wā ko kasi Valu. I was born and raised in Tamaki, Auckland and Grey Lynn. The name of my spoken word piece is In the Eyes of My Niece. So my spoken word piece is about the hopes and dreams and aspirations of a 9-year-old child, of Maiki in general.
My niece has strong legs. She always plants her feet like a coconut tree basking in the scintillating sun.
I always look towards the younger generation as to what do we need in this world? What do they need? That's how it connects to the theme, I guess. The hopes and dreams and aspirations for the future lie in the eyes of the children.
Its roots molded to the whanua, reciprocating nutrition. It is in her eyes that I see my hopes and my dreams prospering into fruition.